How to delete Clash of Clans account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Clash of Clans account. I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to delete your Clash of Clans account, first thing you need to make sure that you've already updated your application, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So in order to delete your Clash of Clans, what you need to do is first thing log in into your account. Once you open up your Clash of Clans account, this is what the interface is going to look like. Page, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. As soon as you click on the gear icon, a settings page will load, and on this interface right at the bottom you have an option as help and support. Click on it. As you click on it, you'll be directed to the support center. Once you're on the support center, you need to click on account in the top right. Once again on this page you'll have three different options. So since you want to delete your account, so click on access/delete your data. As you click on the option, the page expands, and now from here you need to be more specific and click on request deletion of your personal data. So once you click on request deletion of your personal data, next page you'll be able to see the statement. So make sure to go through it before you proceed on. So once you've gone through it, scroll down and click on delete my data, which is right at the bottom. After you click on it, you'll be taken to the live chat or the automated response. On this page you need to go through this automated response. Click on I agree. So on the chat box you need to type in the issue. So since you want to delete your account, type in deletion request or delete my account. And after that you also need to provide in your user ID and the email address associated with your Clash of Clans account. Once you're done submitting the report, all you have to do is wait patiently until they look into your matter. So before deleting your account, you'll be notified about your deletion process, and then fully deleted your Clash of Clans account. That is how you can delete your Clash of Clans account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.